speaker who made a leap in this opportunity. Siya po ay graduate ng Lyceum of the Philippines University, Manila. So, kapwa ko po siya kapirata. Siya po ay graduate ng isang BS Tourism, ang kanyang kurso. Isa lang naman po siyang magna cum laude. So, ayan. So, she built a strong career as a sales manager sa isang tourism industry at naging medical representative po siya. Now, she is dedicated to her work full-time as millennial digital entrepreneur. Ayan. So, andito po siya to show to us what is this all about. Ano po ba opportunity na to na I'm sure you're going to love it. Makakatulong po sa atin ng malaki. So, join me in welcoming talaga namang a true example of beauty and brains to. Yan. So, ayan po, welcome po natin, Miss Lyra May Atilano. Mabuhay, Miss Lyra.
Mabuhay! Ayan. Hello po, Miss Jonna. Thank you so much for that very thoughtful introduction, my kapirata. Ayan. So, hello to everyone. And I am glad to be here, to be invited here to share with you, di ba, how we can maximize the income potential since lahat naman ngayon, di ba, nasa digital na. And AI is, di ba, very fast, no? Yung kanyang growth right now, di ba? So, are you maximizing, di ba? Whatever is on the digital space. So, baka kapag hindi natin siya natutunan ng maaga, di ba? Mamukat-mukat ka, 5 years na, 10 years na, you kept missing opportunities. Alright? So, ako po, I'm 7 years in the business. So, do we have guests here na mga expecting, di ba, to learn something new with regard to having additional source of income? You type in the chat box, hello, and then tag mo naman yung tao na in-invite mo into this opportunity. Ayan, so bear with me just in case na medyo mag-buffer ako for a while kasi nagkakaproblema with the internet for the past days. But kaya natin yan, okay? And if you're someone naman na in-invite, so I suggest, di ba, message the person who invited you, say thank you, because it's not every day na sa dinami-dami ng mga challenges ng bawat isa sa atin right now, di ba? And maraming kaguluhan, di ba? sa bansa natin, sa mundo, di ba? Sa economy and all that. It's not every day na we get to be invited, di ba, to check on opportunities. Yung naisip ka, di ba, na baka pwede mag-benefit ka din on this, di ba? So, ayan. Alright, so let me share my screen, so that we could maximize the time. So, as introduced by Miss Chona earlier, I came from Lyceum, I graduated magna cum laude, pero the good news is, if you're someone na parang feeling mo, ay grabe, hindi naman ako Latin honor, ganyan. The good news is, this is something na madaling matutunan, okay, na kayang gawin ng kahit sino. Okay, so even yung mga kapinsanan ko nga sa province na mga they are 9 years old, 10 years old, they can actually share this business. Ganun siya ka-simple and ka-straightforward. Okay, so I used to work in the travel agency. Yan po yung status ko before meeting this opportunity. So, dahil nasa travel agency, I'm very much exposed to traveling. I've been to 21 countries in a span of 5 years. So, these were in Czech Republic, in Iceland. I've been to Iceland twice. I've been to Japan 10 times. To South Korea, I think mga 5 times ganyan. And I've done mga adventure stuff, di ba? Kasi nandun ka na sa bansang yon, para you would want to make the most of it, di ba? Meron pong mga ganyan dito, yung gusto mong nasusulit, di ba? Lagi, ganyan. So, kaya naman, when this opportunity was presented to me, I knew for sure na gagawin ko siya kasi nakita ko na gusto ko masulit ito, okay? So I hope ganun din yung maging experience ninyo, no? Once na natapos ninyo yung whole discussion, makita ninyo yung full concept that you would really want to make the most of it, di ba? Masulit nyo talaga siya. So, maganda yung buhay na work ko before, I had a dream job, but it's not the dream life, no? Because ito po yung kaganapan sa likod ng camera. Sa likod ng ano, ng mga magagandang post natin sa social media, ganyan siya. So, I was very stressed. I was in my 20s, early 20s this time. Pero kung titingnan ninyo, grabe, malala yung stress, yung pagod, yung puyat, di ba? I look older than my age. And then, nag-alarm yung phone ko ng 5 a.m., nakaset siya. Nag-alarm siya, nasa office pa ako. Kasi nag-work pa. Grabe, no? So, dapat gising ka na, pero gising ka pa talaga kasi nga nagtatrabaho pa. So, ganun katindi yung trabaho namin. And if you're someone like me na parang you had the most naman na sa trabaho na meron ka, sa field na meron ka, kumbaga na-experience mo na, and alam mo na exactly kung ano yung mararating mo dyan, di ba? If you're someone like me na nakita na rin na ito yung mararating ko dito, and yung mararating ko na yon is not something that I am aspiring in the near future, di ba? Yung grabe yung stress, di ba? Yung kapag na-promote ako dito, mas matindi pa ang magiging trabaho. So wala na talaga akong time para mabuhay, 'di ba? Nagtrabaho na lang ako buong buhay ko. Alam mo 'yun, yung nabubuhay ka pero walang life in it, 'di ba? Walang vigor, walang vitality, 'di ba? So that was the time when I asked the Lord for opportunity na baka naman meron akong pwedeng gawin on the side habang nagtatrabaho ako, tigilan ko na yung pag-OT ko, and then I would allot my time on something na income generating. Kasi ito po, nung nag-OT na ako na to, manager na ako, so wala nang bayad yon. Okay, wala nang OT pay. So, OTY na siya. Ayan. So, kung nag-OTY ka din, appear tayo, di ba? So, I was really looking forward to maximizing yung oras ko na may balik naman, may bayad naman. Okay? And then a friend of mine, siya yung nag present ng opportunity na to, no? I was really uh, looking for extra income lang, pero mas bongga pa, mas maganda pa yung binigay ni Lord. Di ba may mga ganyan minsan, no, na parang we've been praying for this, we've been expecting na ito yung magiging sagot ni Lord, pero mas malaki pa pala yung ibibigay niya, di ba? And our God is a God of abundance, and malaki talaga yung plano na meron siya for us, di ba? Only if we would be able to really be keen, no, on opportunities na dumadaan sa atin. So sabi nga ni Warren Buffett, never depend on a single source of income. And this is really the main reason why I started doing the business, no, because yung friend ko na nag-share ng opportunity, she's a flight attendant. So mas malaki yung kinikita niya sa akin times 3, times 4. So sabi ko, bakit itong friend ko, flight attendant na, pangarap kong trabaho yan, pero hindi ko pa nakukuha yung dream job ko na yon, siya, nandoon na siya, and yet, nagnenegosyo pa siya. Bakit? Diba? So, nung nakita ko yung grind niya, no, yung hustle niya sa work and then sa business, doon ko naintindihan na, kaya pala ang dami niyang properties, marunong siya sa pera, ang galing niya talaga sa pera, ganyan. And ako, parang yung pera ko, literal talaga na nag-i-slip lang siya, di ba? Pagkadating nung sahod, payslip talaga. So, when I learned about this, no, it was an easy yes for me kasi that's when I realized na kulang talaga yung isang source of income lang. And that time, single ako, wala naman akong anak, pero mahilig ako mag-prepare, okay? So kung ikaw mahilig ka rin mag-prepare, 'di ba? Congratulations kasi nasa tamang meeting ka ngayon, okay? Kasi pag prepare natin yung next 5 years, next 10 years, and the rest, 'di ba, of your life, doing something worthwhile na tuloy-tuloy yung pasok ng income. Okay, so right now, habang tumataas yung expenses natin, ang inflation nakikipagsabayan din, tama? And hindi natin matatalo yung inflation eh kahit um, anong gawin natin, 'di ba? Yung inflation nandiyan talaga yan. It's just really a matter of increasing yung ating income din. Kasi kapag hindi, ang mangyayari po na yan, uutang at uutang, tama? Para lang maka-catch up sa mga kailangan bayaran, sa mga unexpected na kailangan maglabas ng pera, 'di ba? What if merong health concern, 'di ba, na kailangan ng medication, ng health concern, wala naman siya sa plano, tama? So, anong mangyayari kung yung income nga ngayon kulang siya? So, mangungutang na mangungutang, whether that be with your credit cards, 'di ba, or may nahihiraman na tao or whatever means man yan, di ba? Para lang to make ends meet, ano? So now, with this opportunity that we will share with you, ang kagandahan na to is you're not just doing an active income. Kasi yung trabaho natin, active income na yan eh. Ito po yung lagi kong sinishare sa mga taong nakakausap ko na that's okay to continue doing the work that you do. Pero if you're looking for another source of income, tama ba? Lahat naman tayo na nandito ngayon sa Zoom, yun yung pinaka reason why we're here, di ba? We want additional source of income. If you're looking for that, for another source of income, wag na active income kasi you will be wear out. Mawi-wear out ka, mapapagod ka. Di ba kanina yung video na piniplay si Pablo and Bruno, di ba? So, si Pablo, dala-dala niya yung bucket, di ba? So imagine you're carrying one bucket, yun yung active income mo, yun yung trabaho mo. And then you're also doing another side gig na active income pa rin, di ba? So you kept tawag dito, adding load, di ba, sa ginagawa mo. And the thing is, pag active income kasi, you need to actively work for it, 'di ba? No work, no pay. Pag nagnegosyo ka naman, may tinayo kang stall, 'di ba? Sinara mo 'yon, bumaha, bumagyo, 'di ba? Sarado yung stall mo, then wala ka ring kita. Kasi it has to be open. Kaya nga siya active income. Kailangan present, kailangan nandiyan yung time, effort that you need to put in. So most of the Filipinos, we fall under this category. Now, the good news is, and this made me say a solid yes. Di ba? Parang ito palang solve na ako. Parang wala na tayong pag-uusapan dapat. Ito palang okay na, di ba? I was very much resolved when I understood na yung opportunity na to na i-share namin sa inyo, na na-share lang din sa akin back in 2019, no, is my potential for passive income. No, it is actually in the passive income side talaga. Ibig sabihin na to, sa simula, active income din naman yan, tatrabahuin mo, i-build natin yung system, pero darating yung time na little to no effort, little to no time na lang, pero yung income, tuloy-tuloy yung pasok. 'Di ba? Kayang mag-autopilot ng negosyo kasi may sistema. Sinong ayaw nung ganun, 'di ba? Halika dito, kurutin kita para magising ka. So, every one of us, 'di ba, desires something like that na in the future, ay, gusto ko maghayahay, pero yung income ko tuloy-tuloy, 'di ba? And we normally see that through business and investment. Control kasi negosyo mo siya eh. And it's something that you can do flexibly. Okay? So, ngayon, yung passive income, no, possible siya because we're able to leverage. Leverage, ibig sabihin, you're multiplying yourself, di ba? Physically, hindi naman natin siya magagawa, di ba, na namumultiply mo talaga yung sarili mo. But, the concept of leverage is you're using other people's time and effort to work on a common goal. Diba? So pare-parehas kayo, you're putting in time, magkakaiba lang yung oras, pwedeng ikaw 2 hours a day yung kaya mong ilaan on this business, yung friend mo 4 hours a day, yung isang friend mo 4 hours a day. So instead na 2 hours a day lang yung nailalaman mo for your business, you now have a total of 10 hours a day. Diba? So that's the power of leverage. And I was so again resolved na when I understood this concept. So ano ba yung um, mga factor, 'di ba, na kino-consider mo starting a side business. Ako noon, ang kino-consider ko, something that I can do flexibly. Ibig sabihin, after ng work ko, pwede ko siyang gawin. Second is something na yung income kayang lumaki. Okay? Mas malaki pa dun sa sinasahod ko. And it happened, no? In my case, after 1 year and 2 months, yung sinasahod ko sa work na it took me 5 years para kitain, in this business, after 1 year and 2 months lang, kinita ko na siya na 1 week income na lang. Diba? So from 1 month na salary, naging 1 week income na lang in business. And the good news pa, no, with this business is global yung scalability niya. Meaning to say, hindi lang ikaw limited sa kung nasaan ka right now. So, kanina, di ba, nag-send kayo ng location, merong mga nasa Mandaluyong, nasa Parañaque, nasa Lipa, nasa QC, di ba? So, hindi tayo limited dyan sa location na yan. If you know people living in these countries, these are the countries that we are operating on, no? So, this is a global distribution business, meron siyang konsepto ng dropshipping. So, ibig sabihin na to, yung customer, punta lang siya sa website, ipi-place niya yung order niya, yung supplier, siya na yung bahala mag-deliver. You don't need to worry about inventory, you don't need to worry about logistics, paano makakarating to ng Canada, di ba? So, lahat ng yan, all taken good care of the company na. So, I mean, wala akong alam na business na complete package na siya na ganon. That's why when a friend of mine introduced this, it's again very, very easy to say yes. So, itong negosyo po na to is an opportunity to become a brand partner of Usana. Okay? So, familiar na po ba sa Usana? So, you can type in familiar or not familiar, di ba? If this is your first time to hear about it. So, ang Usana, it's a cellular nutrition company. Ibig sabihin po na to, yung products na ginagawa ng Usana, umaabot siya hanggang sa cells. Okay, yun yung ugat ng buhay ng tao. Bakit importante yan? Everyday po may cellular damages tayo. Yung tipong natulog ka ng 8 hours a day, pero pagising mo, pagod ka pa rin. Ba't ganun? Parang hindi pa ako solve sa tulog ko. Antok ka pa din pagising mo. Parang hindi na recharge, di ba? Hindi natanggal yung pagod mo the previous day. So those are cellular damages. Yung pupunta ka ng kusina, pagdating mo sa gitna, hala, ano nga bang kukunin ko? Ayan, so may brain fog, di ba? What else? Yung kakakain mo lang sa tanghali, pero inaantok ka, di ba? And we call it siesta time. Pero it's actually, it could really be, no, cellular damages. Kasi later on, bakit natin siya na-experience in the first place, di ba? Dapat yung food, it's supposed to give us energy. So the fact na nagugutom ka ulit after mo kumain, something is wrong, okay? So, pag hindi po natin naayos yung cellular damages na yan, later on, yan po yung magiging sakit na. Okay? Later on, yan na yung brain fog ngayon, yan na yung dementia later on. Yung hindi ka na bubusog, inaantok ka kapag kumakain, later on, that could be heart disease, that could be hypertension, that could be diabetes. Okay? So, ang goal natin right now ay mag-prevent. Tama, lahat ngayon, tama ba? Lahat tayo na nandito sa Zoom ngayon, meron at meron tayong kakilala na either nasa walking era, nasa running era, nagka-calorie deficit, nagpa-fat loss. Tama, meron at meron tayong kakilala. Ibig sabihin po, if you do this business, this is really a very, very good source of sustainable income kasi ang taas ng demand. Everyone right now, almost everyone, di ba, nakakilala natin, are really trying their best to be healthy. Okay? And tayo yung sagot, di ba, dun sa gap na yon, sa kukulangan na kung ano yung hindi nila nakukuha from the food that they eat. Alright? So, ang ganda-gandang business po ng Usana. And mind you, in 2030, the projected sales of health and wellness industry is at $12.3 trillion. Grabe, di ba? $12 trillion. Ganon kalaki yung ilalago ng industriya ng health and wellness. So kapag hindi mo to ginawa ngayon, hindi mo to minaximize ngayon, sayang, hindi ka nakakurot doon sa $12 trillion. Okay? So, maximize na natin. Okay? So, ang Usana, it's the leader, no, when it comes to cellular nutrition. In fact, I love to always say this, na tayo lang naman talaga ang totoong cellular nutrition company, no. We are 30 years in the business, turning 34 this year. And we are publicly traded sa NYSE or New York Stock Exchange. Yan po yung pinakamalaking stock market sa buong mundo. So, if you're gonna do USANA, hindi ka kakabahan na baka itong kumpanya na to, after 5 years, after 10 years, wala na. Kasi para makasama yan sa NYSE, sa pinakamalaking stock market sa buong mundo, that means a lot, no, so much about the financial stability ng company. Okay? Kasi malalaking company lang po yung nakakapasok dyan. So we are founded by this man. He is a scientist. Hindi po siya negosyante. Hindi niya goal na maging number 1 ang USANA, na maging highest gross ang company natin. Ang goal niya lang is para makatulong sa ibang tao. So this is his vision, to have a world free from pain and suffering, free from disease. Huwag na tayong lumayo. Sa family pa lang natin, meron tayong kakilala na may hypertension. Tama? And may diabetes, probably for some, di ba? Eh, what if may cancer pa, or so on and so forth, di ba? So just imagine these people, gaano ka laki yung nawawala sa kanila, di ba? Yung life has been taken from them, di ba? Yung buhay ka nga, pero you're not really living life in its fullness, diba? So that's the goal of Dr. Myron Wentz, na hindi na tayo umabot sa punto na yon. Na right now, we'll learn to prevent, we'll learn how to integrate cellular nutrition in our daily lives, no? And so we can live life to its fullest in happiness and health. And yan ang pinaka-goal ng USANA, no? Just to keep human cells healthy. So grabe. So this is our global headquarter. This is a pharmaceutically graded manufacturing facility, no? So pag pharma graded po, ibig sabihin kung paano natin ginagawa yung products natin, ka-level ng kung paano ginagawa yung mga gamot. Ganong level yung standard. Hindi kailangan gawin ng USANA. Pero si Dr. Myron Wentz, he really wants to go beyond, 'di ba? The standard. So ganon kagrabe um, yung dedication, no, that we are pouring in producing high quality cellular nutrition products if your priority right now is your health, and lifetime opportunity naman if your priority is on already. So ang maganda dito is parehas kasi yan na challenges naman natin on a daily basis. Tama? Sometimes nga we are so focused on goals natin sa pera sa lapi. Di ba? Paano kumita ng pera? Paano mag-save? Paano lumago ito? Tama? Puro ganon. Not realizing na itong katawan natin, yan yung magdadala to that goal. So kapag ito na-deteriorate, wala lahat, guguho lahat ng pangarap natin na yan. Okay, so it's very important na parehas. And I really love the USANA business because it's like you do your lifestyle, di ba? Good health, di ba? For optimal health. And USANA pays you. Di ba? Parang parang it's crazy na parang magpaka-healthy lang naman ako, tapos I kept sharing lang na for others to be healthy as well, di ba, to be in optimal health, tapos I will be paid for doing so, di ba, parang talaga ba? But that's how simple the business is, di ba? So as cliche as it is, true health is true wealth, and right now ito na yung realidad ng buhay natin. Kahit natanggalin natin sa picture ito yung stress, ever present, di ba, on a daily basis. Pwedeng na nagkaroon ng problema sa commute, 'di ba? Or pasok mo sa office, nandun na kaagad yung kinaiinisan mong office mate, di ba? So meron at meron na nakaka-stress talaga, 'di ba? Parang umulan nga lang, 'di ba? Parang automatic pag umulan may baha na talaga ano. So bumaha lang, 'di ba? Nakaka-stress na. So ngayon, lahat ng mga factors na 'yon, no, old age. I don't know with you, pero ako po, laking probinsya, nung kabataan ko po, may mga nababalitaan pa ako na nawawala na si ganito, namatay na si ganito, si ganyan. Kasi matanda na, nakalimutang huminga. Yan yung mga sinasabi sa probinsya, di ba? Wala, kalimutan niya na huminga, matanda na eh, ganyan. Pero right now, mapansin mo, wala na akong naririnig na gano'n, na namatay because of old age. Laging may sakit na ang reason bakit nawawala sa mundong ibabaw. 'Di ba? Eh mapansin mo ngayon, pabata ng pabata. 'Di ba? 15 years old pa lang ngayon may chronic kidney disease na usually mga senior citizen yung nagkakaroon na yan before, 'di ba? So grabe na yung lifestyle right now. And again, sabi nga ni Dr. Linus Pauling, no, isa sa mga haligis sa science, the only two times Nobel Prize winner in the world, na nearly all diseases can be traced to a nutritional deficiency. Kaya daw tayo nagkakasakit kasi kulang lang tayo sa nutrition. Nutrition lang pala. So kung nutrition lang ang kulang sa atin, dapat primarily, yun yung binabalik natin. Tama? So, this is why I love doing the business ng Yusana because we're advocating for health, we're educating people about health, and malaki yung nagiging impact na to sa buhay ng ibang tao in the long run. Okay? So, with our products, ito po yung pangunahing product ng Yusana, no, na holistic approach na mula sa hibla ng buhok mo hanggang sa kuko mo sa paa, literal kung ano yung kailangan na nutrients ng katawan natin, nandito na siya. Binibridge niya yung nutritional deficiency na yun, kung ano yung kakulangan, binibigay niya sa atin. Okay? Na hindi naman kasi tayo yung pag kumain tayo, 'di ba? Parang, uy, nasan yung fiber ko dito? Uy, nasan yung vitamin D ko? Nasan yung vitamin C ko, 'di ba? Hindi tayo ganun kumain eh, 'di ba? May kanin, may ulam, solved na tayo. Kaya nga we are overfed but undernourished. Kulang tayo sa nutrisyon. So kailangan nating maibalik yung nutrisyon na yun so that we could prevent diseases. And this is the best product, no, na complete, no, with all essential nutrients na kailangan natin. So, hindi ko na iisa-isahin yan. Baka umabot tayo ng alas 12, ano? Pero what I would highlight is, ano yung benefits niya? So, ito, number one dyan is, ang sarap ng tulog. Ito pa yung pinaka nagustuhan ko with Usana because when we share Usana, ang sarap um, tawag dito, yung parang itaga mo sa bato, di ba, ganyan. Na hindi ka abutin ng 1 month, di ba, para ma-experience yung benefits ng products. Kinabukasan lang ramdam mo yan. Ang sarap ng tulog, kahit na 4 hours yung tulog, para ka naka 8 to 10 hours na tulog, ganun siya yung feeling, no, na talagang recharge ka. And then the following day, you have all the energy in the world, yung metabolism mo nai-improve, gumaganda ang bowel movement, after a couple of days, mapansin mo yan, and then couple of weeks naman, mapansin mo, uy, gumaganda yung skin ko, di ba? And it supports immune health. So, pag nakayosana ka, hindi ka madaling magkasakit, okay? And ako parang the last na matinding pagkakasakit ko was during COVID season pa, mga 2020. After noon, wala na. So, ganun kaganda yung products that we have in Usana, no? And ito lang yung nag-iisang brand, no, na walang label, na no approved therapeutic claims. Dapat meron kasi again, hindi siya gamot eh. So gamot lang yung mga walang label na no approved therapeutic claims. Kapag mga nutritionals, vitamins, meron talagang ganyang label. Pero with our product, no, tested, proven, approved by FDA, tinanggal na po yung label na yan because it can really bridge the gap. So pag na-bridge niya yung nutrisyon na kailangan natin na hindi natin nakuha sa usual na kinakain natin on a daily basis, ang nangyayari po nun is napiprevent and natitreat yung mga sakit na nag-originate lang sa multivitamins and minerals deficiency. And that's the exact indication na nakalagay sa bote natin sa Cell Essentials. Alright, so if you want to know more about this, diba, if you have a specific health concerns, talk to the person who invited you kasi siya yung best na makakapag bigay sa iyo ng input and makakapag-recommend pa sa iyo ng ibang products ng Yusana. So, ganun po kaganda yung products that we have because 150 scientists in-house, yung talaga namang inaral yan mula sa raw ingredients hanggang sa magawa na yung product, iti-test pa ulit yan bago nila mailabas sa market. Ganun katindi yung dedication. And for us to have 150 scientists, di ba, grabe, that speaks a lot about our commitment really on quality manufacturing, on research and development, no? Na usually for some companies na nasa health and wellness din naman, okay na sa kanila yung makaisang scientist, di ba? Yung iba nga wala pang scientist, basta may pharmacist, okay na, ganyan. Pero sa atin, ganun po kagrabe yung dedication. Ano? So, this is the book that confirms, no, yung ganda ng product na meron tayo sa USANA. So this is not from USANA, it's from Canada. NutriSearch is a Canadian company. What they did, they asked scientists, doctors to study 1,600 products na meron sa US, Canada, Mexico, and Colombia. Ni-rate nila yan from 1 star to 5 star yung mga products. So 5 star being the highest. Ito yung criteria, kompleto ba, effective ba siya, may vitamin E forms ba, etc. etc. And ang maganda po dito na nagkatalo-talo sa number 16, potential toxicity, may damage ba yan sa liver and kidneys? So with Yusana, 0% ni katiting, wala pong nakitang any ingredient, any harmful ingredient that can damage the liver and the kidneys. It's actually for the health pa nga ng liver and kidneys. Okay, so kung may mga kakilala kayo, may mga fatty liver, may mga kidney disease sila, this is something that can help them, no, primarily. So, out of over 1,600 products, Yusana lang po yung nakakuha ng pinakamataas na score, 5 star and Platinum Plus. Pag Platinum Plus, ibig sabihin pharmaceutically graded. So, ibig sabihin sa lahat ng mga kumpanya na nasa health and wellness, siya lang po ang nag-iisa na pharmaceutically graded. Ka-level ng gamot kung paano ginagawa yung products. Diba? So, kung ganun kataas yung standard niya at walang next sa kanya, di ba? Bakit ako magsasettle sa number 2, sa number 3? Doon ako sa number 1 talaga, di ba? And 5 star siya, check siya doon sa mga criteria, 96.1 ang kanyang bioavailability o yung absorption rate. Ibig sabihin, pag tinake mo to, almost 100% diretso sa cells mo. Hindi natatapon, hindi nasasayang. Okay? And if we're gonna compare it, siguro for the sake of comparison na lang, no, ito na lang yung i-share ko sa inyo itong Centrum. Kasi for me before, ang Centrum parang pangmayaman na brand, di ba? Parang hindi ko afford yan. But tingnan ninyo, it's only half star, not even 1 star. And ang nare-receive mo, if you're taking Centrum, 5.2 lang out of 100%. Grabe. 94.8 yung natapon. Sayang, di ba? Lugi. So kung wais tayo, gusto natin na yung kapupuntahan ng pera natin is something na napapakinabangan talaga natin, then we should be able to make wiser decision by now, di ba? Na natutunan na natin na na-educate na tayo on this. Okay, so nung nakita ko po itong libro na to, wala na, tapos na ang laban talaga sa akin. I was so all in, game na ako. I wanna do the business, I wanna share that product, and I wanna try muna yung product talaga, no? So that I could really experience then on my own. Ang maganda nga, again, overnight, ramdam mo na siya. So, talaga naman, kaya siya best of the best out of 1,600 brands in the whole world. Alright, so, ang concern ko na lang nun is, magkano kaya yung presyo? Kasi grabe naman ang ganda ng quality. So baka mamaya mga 200 pesos yan per tablet, ganyan. But to my surprise, it's only 16.47 pesos per tablet. So ang isang pares po niya ay almost 33 pesos, almost 66 pesos yung 2 pairs. Ito yung recommendation ng mga scientists. And this brand, this is unmatched. Ibig sabihin, wala kang makikitang ibang brand sa labas na ganito rin yung content. Wala po. So, ang gagawin mo is bibili ka ng iba't ibang brands, abutin ka po ng almost 200 pesos pag ganun ang ginawa mo. Mas napamahal ka. Okay? And ano ba naman yung 66 pesos? Kurot lang yan sa budget natin daily compared sa hospitalization. Ito, kahit wala kang amount na ganyan, gagawan mo ng paraan yan. Tama? So, ubos talaga. Ubos ang kabuhayan, 'di ba, ng buong pamilya. Hindi lang ikaw na nagkaroon ng sakit, 'di ba? Buong pamilya damay diyan. So, my encouragement for you hearing this, no, being with us in this webinar is to make wise decision, no, katulad ng mga atleta. Kasi itong mga atleta, 'di ba, puhunan nila in the sports that they do yung katawan nila, and they trust Yusana lang, no? Yusana lang ang pinagkakatiwalaan nila na ipapasok nila sa katawan nila. So, kung ganun sila kawais, di ba parang what makes them any different sa atin? Di ba tayo din naman, puhunan din naman natin yung katawan natin in the profession that we do, in whatever field we are in right now. Di ba pare-parehas lang naman tayo, ito yung puhunan natin. So, kailangan wais din tayo katulad nila, di ba? So, for total body health, that's our product, the one I shared earlier, yung Cell Essentials. And then we have Use Animals, ito naman for kids. So, if you have kids, or if you know someone na may kids, this is something that we can recommend. Para siyang Cell Essentials na pambata. Chewable yan para iwas choking sa mga kabataan. Okay, and then we have a lot of products pa. Depende na lang sa kung ano yung gustong i-improve, okay, sa health ng mga taong makakausap natin or mapapakausap mo dun sa tao na nag-invite sa'yo on this webinar should you decide to start your journey right now ng brand partnership with Usana. So we have our cardiovascular health, meron tayong fish oil, we also have for cellular energy, and then we have pang-ayos ng blood flow natin. So kung ano yung nasa ugat natin, no, kung may mga nakabara dyan, tinutunaw niya. So these are some of the products for cardiovascular health. And then meron tayo for immune health, meron tayo for eye health, for bones and joints, for prostate health ng mga kalalakihan, for detoxification ng liver and kidneys, for digestion, for better sleep quality sa mga hirap makatulog. And then we also have for cognitive health, diba? Para mas maayos yung pag-iisip ng brain, mas focus. And we also have mood support. So, pamparelax naman, di ba? After a long day, for those suffering depression, anxiety, this is something that we can offer to them. And then we also have for weight management, and sobrang dami mga products ng Usana. We even have collagen, toothpaste, and skincare. So, hanggang dito po sa toothpaste and skincare, ang promise ng Usana, all natural ingredients. Walang halong anything na makaka-damage sa katawan natin. Grabe, no? So, kaya nga yung toothpaste ng Usana, this is fluoride-free. So, walang any chemical talaga yung products natin. So, pakita ko lang po sa inyo, this was me before being part of Usana, no? So, 25 years old, pero grabe, stress, pagod na pagod sa buhay, kulang sa tulog, 'di ba? Nilalaban pa ang gym after ng work. And then this was me last year. So 31 years old, I'm 32 now. Sabi ko nga grabing glow up to. Pag zoom in mo, pati yung pawis nag-glow, o 'di ba? So thank you Usana Nutritionals and our cellular skincare. Okay? So if you're into skincare naman, talk to the person who invited you para ma-share niya sa iyo yung full list of products that we have, no? So, I'm also the type of person na hirap magpapayat, sobrang bloated, grabe yung cortisol level. And then last year, finally, sumakses na tayo sa healthy era and nasa maintain phase na lang ngayon. And if you still have your parents with you, I highly recommend na isa sila sa mga unang pag-sharean mo. 'Di ba? Kasi if we know something na makakatulong sa atin, ang gusto natin kasama natin dyan, family members, tama. So this was my mother before taking Usana. And then after just a few days of using the product, so 'di ba? Grabe naman talaga ang glow up kapag naka-Usana ka. Okay? So, pakita ko lang sa inyo some of the testimonials I gathered in 7 years. Sobrang dami na definitely, no? But here are some. If you're familiar po kay RJ Jimenez, ayan, magkakaroon sila ng reunion concert, yung Pinoy Dream Academy. So, hindi ako familiar doon kasi wala kaming TV ata nun sa probinsya. But anyway, sikat pala siya, no? And katandem niya si Yen Constantino. So, sila po yung kumanta ng If We Fall in Love. Yan. Iba lang yung tono nila sa akin, okay? But anyway, ang gusto kong i-share is, ito, galing to kay RJ. He's one of my clients in Yasana. Pag ginugel mo siya, mapayat lang siya na tao, no? pero mataas ang cholesterol. So with Essentials by Omega, Hepasil, yun po yung products na ginamit niya. And after just 3 months, na-reverse po. So lahat po ng mga health concerns na yan, kaya yan ma-improve, kaya na yan na ma-reverse, no? Kailangan lang talaga ng overall na lifestyle modification, and a big part of it would be nutrition. Okay, so now, in sharing you sana, no, I came across people na they are more than using the products, they also want to share, no, the beauty of USANA to other people, whether that be for their health or para sa extra finances, no? And right now, they are my brand partner. So this is Tita Nancy. She's an OFW since 20 years old. Now, she's based in Italy. So for 40 years na nagtatrabaho po iyan, never in her entire life was she able to experience earning $1,000 in 1 week. Only in USANA po naging possible. And for ilang years la after just 5 years of doing the business, di ba? And right now, with the bonuses and all that na isi-share ko later, mas mabilis. Kaya nga yun ng 6 months, kaya yun ng 1 year. Depende na lang talaga sa commitment and dedication ninyo na mag-i-start ng journey sa USANA. But that's the possibility, okay? And this is Ate Cheryl. She's a registered nurse also in Italy. Ang goal niya lang po pumayat, di ba? Halata naman, no? So, na-achieve niya naman, di ba? Yung goal niya. So, nakapag-fat loss siya with you sana. Nagkaroon ng panga, nagka-lieg, di ba? So, achieve na siya sa health goals niya. After 1 month, bibili na siya ng products. Ang dami niya pong in-order na products kasi love na love niya talaga yung Usana. Nagpapanik yan kapag paubos na yung Usana products niya. So, after 1 month, bibili na siya. Sabi namin, ate, why not do the business? Kasi kapag shinare mo to, yung kikitain mo dito, solve na yan lahat ng mga binibili mong products for your family. Galing na siya sa Usana business mo, nalilibre na siya, hindi mo na kailangan budgetin galing sa sahod mo and all that. So she decided to do the business, and alam nyo ba, after just 4 months of doing the business, nag-qualify siya sa travel incentive ng Usana Italy, bound to Spain. Grabe no, napatravel pa siya ng Usana just because she kept sharing the beauty of the product sa kanya, sa family niya. And alam niyo po, isa sa mga hindi ko makakalimutan na testimony na to pagdating sa products is yung father niya dapat po magda-dialysis na. Pero nung gumamit ng products, hindi na po pinatuloy ng dialysis ng doctor sa Italy. Grabe no? So ganun ka grabe yung products that we have in Usana. And after 6 months of doing the business, she's able to earn $600 in 1 week. That's 30,000 in 1 week. So yung kinikwento ko sa inyo kanina na kinita ko after 1 year and 2 months in the business, kinita niya in just 6 months. So pwede pong mas mabilis sa inyo kasi nga may mga bonuses na nilaunch ang Usana just last year. But before I share with you the many ways of earnings in Usana, let me just highlight this very important thought, no, why I kept doing Usana for the past 7 years. Because if we do the active income, no, magtrabaho tayo and all that, or magnegosyo na active income din naman, we are exchanging time for money. Pero in Usana, we're exchanging time for sustainable income. Pag active income, may mga side gig ka, nag-freelance ka, nag-affiliate, influencer selling, ginawa mo to, kita ng pera. Ngayon, after na yon, may gagawin ka ulit. Kailangan pa ulit-ulit mong gagawin actively, no, para kumita ng pera. Sa Usana po, gawin mo siya ngayon, and then imagine yung mga tao na naging part ng organization mo, they kept buying the products, they kept sharing, no, the opportunity to other people. Later on, kahit natutulog ka po talaga, tuloy-tuloy yung income sa Usana. And yun nga yung, again, sabi ni Warren Buffett, no, na if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Grabe no, parang sinumpa niya tayo. But this is actually true, di ba? Mapansin niyo yung older generation natin na kapag retire na, maghahanap ulit ng another source of income kasi hindi natapos yung takbuhing pinansyal. A webinar, no, go to SSS website. makikita mo doon ano yung naghihintay na pension sa'yo. Lagay mo doon kung ano yung current na income mo, kailan ka nagsimula, and you'll be surprised. Ako nga ginawa ko yon kahit pala 100,000 na yung kinikita ko sa work. My last salary was only 28,000. Manager na po yun. Pero tinry ko lang, sige nga, gawin ko nga 100,000. Kahit 100,000, parehas na pala yung pension ko. Kahit doon sa 28,000 na sahod ko. Same lang yung pension, 12,000 to 14,000 in pag na-reach ko yung 60 or 65 years old. Grabe, di ba? By that year, magkano na lang yung value noon with inflation? Tama? So, ang encouragement ko and challenge ko for everyone joining us in the call, no, is tapusin na natin yung takbuhing pinansyal, di ba? So, so that we could really live life in its fullness, na naikot natin yung iba pang points convertible to dollars. Ay, nawala po ba? Ayan, okay na po ba? Nakabalik na ba ako? Okay. So, last week naman, nagulat ako, uy, meron na akong $100 right away after the cut-off. So, yung isang client ko sa Canada, umorder pala siya. So, alam mo yun, yung wala ka nang tinrabaho doon eh, hindi ka na nag-effort eh, pero tuloy-tuloy yung pasok ng income, 'di ba? So this is where health meets opportunity as a brand partner ng Usana. Ang concept lang po na to is if you like what I've shared with you about sa products, then you try the products. Okay, once na na-try mo yung products, you'll have confidence now to share it to other people kasi you yourself first-hand experience mo siya. And by sharing it to other people, you get dollars. Okay, ganun lang kasimple. So, yung mga taong mapag-share natin, they can either become user or brand partner. Bottom line, kada product na binibili nila, may points, yung points convertible to dollars. Okay, so yung mga taong yan, they will the people, magulat ka na lang na kapag global expansion ka na. Si Tita Nancy, yung kinuwento ko kanina, hindi ko po yun personally kakilala. Na-connect lang ng na-connect. So, out of 27 countries ng Usana, I was able to tap 12 countries now. So, imagine yung mga points, may nanggagaling ng Japan, may nanggagaling ng Canada, may nanggagaling ng US, ability in just a couple of years, di ba? Now, kada dollars po na yan, galing yan sa Bank of America, diretso sa local bank mo, pagdating niya dito sa pera natin, 55 pesos ang $1. Okay, less of tax na yan, binabayaran po natin yung tax natin no, sa government, kahit na minamaleta lang. Okay, basta tayo, nagbabayad tayo ng tama sa gobyerno. Okay, now these are the many ways of earning in Usana. So, etong lead part, saka mo na yan aralin. Ang pinaka mag-guarantee ko sa'yo na pwede mo ma-maximize ka agad, as in agad-agad, is etong nasa share saka grow part. So, sa share part, di ba kada product may points. Yung points na yon na binili ng mga tao na ikaw mismo ang nag-introduce sa kanila ng Usana, nag-connect sa kanila sa Usana, nag-bridge sa kanila sa Usana, whether gagamit lang sila ng products or magnenegosyo, whatever yung binili nila na products, may points, 10% ng points na yon bonus mo for the next 6 months. Umorder ulit next month, on the 3rd month, on the 4th month, kada order nila 10% ng 10% bonus mo. Okay? Now, para ka na rin nag-a-affiliate. Mas malaki nga to sa affiliate, di ba? Kasi 10%, and in dollars, di ba? And now, we also have milestone bonus. So, ito, kada check mo sa mga milestone na yan, may kaakibat na salapi. Okay. So, ang total na yan, $300 or 16,500 in 3 months time. So, imagine, first 3 months mo pa lang, may 16K ka na. Panalo, di ba? Ang ginawa mo lang naman is kung ano yung dapat gawin sa negosyo. Tama? And now, yung first two na yon, personal effort mo yon. Ito yung sa grow part, may leverage na. Okay? Ibig sabihin, hindi mo siya effort lahat. Pero bibilangin lahat ng Usana yung points no from products na binili ng mga tao na nasa ilalim ng organization mo sa left side saka sa right side. Ito total niya yan every week. So team effort po ito. Hindi mo na siya effort alone. So say for example, itong 1 and 2, sila yung kakilala mo lang. Yung 3 and 4, hindi mo naman sila kakilala. Kakilala na sila na tong 1 and 2. Pero dahil nasa ilalim pa rin sila ng organization mo, lahat ng bibili nilang products, yung points na yon 100% umaakyat sa'yo. So kung ano yung mas mababang side, at the end of the week, 20% nun, yun yung commission mo. So in this example, kung kayang pumasok ng $300 for your first income, ibig sabihin, after a couple of months or weeks, kaya rin pumasok ng 3,000 po. Ako sa inyo kanina na naging progress nung income ko sa Usana. No? I started in 2019. Ang unang income ko po ay $40, nasa 2,000. So itong $40 po na to, same effort yung gawin ninyo ngayon. Hindi na yan $40, $110 na yan. Okay, so ganong level na siya because of the bonuses. And after 1 year, so ano po yung kinikita ko sa work na it took me 5 years bago kitain yung 28,000 na yun, na out-earn na siya ng Usana business ko in just 3 weeks. 3 weeks income lang po iyan. And in 2 months after that, no, naging 1 week income na lang, 31,800 plus lifetime matching bonus, total of 38K. Diba? So, grabe, never in my entire life na possible pala kumita ng 30,000 in 1 week, diba? Hindi ko siya lubos maisip when I was working, pero in Usana, possible siya, no? So, yung level of income mo dito, magdedepende siya sa kung gaano ka ka-dedicated, no? And later on with your experience as well. So, palaki ng palaki yan, so long as you also continue doing the work. Bonus, lahat ng mga tao na personally, ikaw yung nag-connect sa kanila sa Usana, no? Whatever yung income nila, buong buo yan pumasok sa account nila. Pero imamatch yan ng Usana by 10%, ibibigay niya sa iyo yun as another bonus pa. Panghabang buhay. Grabe, no? May forever sa Usana. So, kung $100 ang kinita ng brand partner mo, 10% nun meron kang $10. Eh kung naging $1,000 na yan, may $100 ka na lifetime matching bonus. What if naging $10,000 na siya after 10 years? Talagang tinrabaho niya, hindi siya tumigil, no? So in 10 years time, you get $1,000, haya-hayahay ka na lang, di ba? Pero yung income mo from this lifetime matching bonus, tuloy-tuloy pa rin because Usana honors na ikaw yung taong nag-connect sa kanya sa Usana. Grabe, di ba? And to top it off, we also have world-class travel incentives. So, ano ba yung dream destination ninyo? Sige nga, type it in the chat box. So, baka meron yan dito, no, sa mga ino-offer ng Usana. So, for this year, we have for local, no, we have Coron, Palawan, and then international, we have Hokkaido, Japan, and Prague, Czech Republic. So, good for two minimum, no, yung travel natin sa Usana, o, di ba? Europe, Switzerland, di ba? So, just imagine na etong mga dream destinations natin, nakuha na natin, tapos libre pa na binigay lang sa atin ng Usana, di ba? So, panalo. And VIP treatment po iyan. Ito po nung 2020, I was able for this trip, no? Kasi nga may pandemic pa rin noong 2021. So, 71K, di ba parang talaga ba? Grabe siya mag-budget, bigay talaga. So, lastly, for those who are parents joining us in the call, no, lahat ng pagkakasumikapan, pagkaka-effortan nyo dito sa Usana, pagkakalaanan nyo ng oras, may kapalit po iyan. Later on, ang aani na yan, yung mga anak ninyo because this business is inheritable. So, the more na mataas yung pangarap mo para sa mga anak mo, the more na pagsumikapan mo to. 'Di ba? Kasi may balik at may balik talaga yan. So, lahat ng mga shinare ko sa inyo na perks na yon of ways of earning in Usana, lahat yon all made possible if you become a brand partner. So if ang priority mo naman is gusto ko lang gumamit ng products, maging healthy, that's also okay. Talk to the person who invited you para ma-enroll ka niya na may discount pa rin as preferred customer. No minimum purchase yun. Pero for us na gusto magnegosyo, meron siyang minimum purchase, no? So, ang nire-require lang naman ng Usana is 200 na sales points. So, ito yung pinaka-ino-offer na package, no? Yung energy kit natin, this is only 21,600. So, lahat na ng best-seller na product ng Usana nandiyan na. Yung sa essentials na discuss ko kanina, we have 2 na yan dyan. We have 2 by Omega, 2 Kokino. So, for sure, for some of you na na-overwhelm, 'di ba? Para saan na nga ba 'yun ganyan, 'di ba? So, tanong mo yung tao na nag-invite sa iyo para you can also see for yourself, no, if this is something na you would want to start with yung products na to. Kasi if you want to customize, iba-iba yung mga brand products na gusto mo, pwede din naman yun. Okay? It's really up to you. It's up to your budget. It's up to your preference, no? Kung ano yung gusto mong products na simulan. Okay? Started, nag-customize po ako more on mga essentials talaga ang sinimulan ko. This is around 22,000 naman. Okay, so nasa sa iyo na yan. Ang encouragement ko na lang as I end, no, is simulan mo siya kaagad kasi fast results yan. Pagdating sa product efficacy, agad-agad ma-experience mo yan kinabukasan, di ba? Ramdam mo na yung benefit, yung effect niya. And as a brand partner, pwede mo nang simulan yan trabahuin on your first week. So perfect timing ito ngayon, it's a Tuesday, para matrabaho nyo pa for the whole week ng taong nag-invite sa'yo yung iyong magiging first income. And as I end, no, pakinggan natin yung second speaker para at least we get to see ano yung potential na naging naman po ginol na alam mo yung hindi ka naman mapaghangad sa yaman. Yung simple ka lang na probinsyana, ganyan no, na ang goal ko na lang ngayon is makabili ako ng lupa para yung mga I can rescue a lot of cats, di ba? And then malaya silang nagtatatalon doon, gumagala doon sa lupa na yon, di ba? So, kasi I really believe no na they are also meant to enjoy yung buhay, di ba? Na hindi lang sila nakakulong, ganyan, that they can really freely roam around. So, yung ganong pangarap, hindi ko siya maiisip kung nandun pa rin ako sa dating work ko. Kasi sa akin nga kulang siya eh. So, ngayon, yun na yung nilulook forward ko. Okay? So, I'll bring back the floor now to our beautiful host, and I hope somehow I was able to share with you
Nawawala kasi si Coach Lyra. Okay, thank you, Coach Lyra, for a great presentation sa atin. Slide. Ayan. So, ating mga speakers ngayon, mga so, di ko na patatagalin ang ating susunod na speaker tonight. Someone who truly proves that success has no age limit. So, imagine this. Just with the age. isa na siyang sa mga youngest so he's also the 2025 Sana Regional Convention speaker. Peso achiever in the 2025 Leadership Summit. Before building his business in Lusana, he studied business training in financial advisor. Dahil na travel sana. So ngayong gabi, valuable insights from him. A journey continues to inspire. Without further ado, all our loudest was across
Coach
and warmly welcome our speaker, mentor, hosting. Mentor, all. Hello.
Ayan, sige. So, siguro ako na mag-introduce Coach Chona sa ating second speaker, no? Ayan. So, okay naman yung sounds ko, tama? So, naririnig naman ako? Okay. Alright. Ayan. So, as I've shared earlier, no, the opportunity to do the business ng Yusana, ito yung ating second speaker naman. Very important na mapakinggan nyo rin siya so that you would see ano yung potential, di ba? If you say yes na ngayon, di ba? Kasi pwede naman after 1 month, after 1 year siguro, bago ka mag-start, di ba? Pero bakit importante na ngayon magsimula ka na? Tama? So, etong taong to, he has achieved milestone after milestone after milestone sa Usana, no? So, hindi ko na ipe-preempt, siya na lang yung mag-share na yon later. But he's a graduate of computer science, major sa UST, no? And nakakabilib kasi talagang at a young age, achiever na talaga siya. So he was sent to Harvard University sa US for business training and conference in 2016. He's a former real estate business development sales officer and a former startup builder as well and a former financial advisor. Now full-time living life, di ba? In USANA. So he's able to influence a lot of people, no, to really take courage and start their journey in brand partnership in USANA. And right now, these people, katulad niya, no, are walking towards, di ba, milestone after milestone din. So let's welcome, di ba, let's open our camera as we welcome, as we appreciate the time that he's given us tonight, no? Mentor Gabe Faustin. Hi, Mentor Gabe.
Alright, so yun, kala ko ako lang yung may problem sa sounds, pero anyway, thank you so much Coach Lyra for taking over and kay Tita Chon. Alright, so yun for introducing me. Okay, so anyway, I just want to thank si Tita Myla for inviting me over. Right, sabi ko, and she messaged me, game, no problem. And it's really good to be back. Okay, I'm grateful lang din for having the opportunity to share. Right, so I see familiar faces here and dito para si Tita Ellen. Right, and ayun. So let's start. I just want to get a feel of the crowd. Sino po dito yung mga ating mga guests? Alright, so pag sinabing guests, ito yung mga who got invited here to see the opportunity or the products or anything. So, I just want to know, sino po dito yung mga guests? Or, for those na nag-invite, just type their name so I would know kung sino sila. Diba? It's nice, there were 21,000 people in the Zoom room. Okay. So, yan. Sino dito yung mga guests natin? I just want to know lang. Alright, so... Yun. Kahit chat na lang po. Sige, while waiting, I wanna know lang, this is for everyone, alright? Hello, Sel. Okay. So this is for everyone. I wanna know lang, how did you end up here? Alright, so type 1 if you're here for the products. Type 2 if you're here for the opportunity. Type 3 if dahil friend mo lang siya. Okay. Friend mo yung dahil friend mo siya. 4, if sinabing may free food after. Okay. Alright, so yun, I just wanna know lang. Alright, so 1 and 2, products and opportunity, 1 and 2. Aba, 1, 2. Yung iba dito nahiya. Kung 3 or 4. Alright, so if you're gonna ask me bakit it's nice. I mean, you guys were invited for the products, then for the opportunity din. Nakatuwa. Kasi bakit? Kung tatanungin niyo ako naman, nandun ako sa 4. Okay. So, nandun ako sa 4. There were a lot of times somebody was trying to invite me over for USANA. And to be honest, I am not really into this kind of opportunity. Because growing up, I know that to get to the life that I want is I'm just gonna follow the track that was laid before me. As a computer science major, as you know, mentioning nga ni Coach Lyra, ni Miss Lyra kanina. 'Di ba? So, sabi nila, mag-aral ka na mabuti kasi pag nag-aral ka na mabuti and maganda yung grades mo, maganda daw yung magiging work mo. Tapos pag maganda yung work mo, maganda daw yung magiging income mo. Tapos, pag maganda yung income mo, maganda yung magiging life mo. Meron bang ganun yung sinabi? Tanong ko lang kayo, is it true or false? Right? So, tama ba? Did it happen sa inyo? Na sobrang gumanda ba yung buhay or not? Grabe yung super false. Right? May nag-PM sa akin, it's true. That's good. Okay. May mga nag-PM sa akin. False daw. Nahiya daw siya kasi mag-chat. Galit na galit daw siya sa work. Right, so, yun. That's the mindset that I had. Right, ayun. Sabi kahit may Latin honor. Oh. Ano lang yung ending ko lang sa Latin honor or ano lang? Spanish latte. Right, so, yun lang nakuha ko. Pero, that's the mind that I had before. And, sa totoo lang, never ko na-imagine na USANA will be the career or the business that I'll be pushing through with. Pero lo and behold, ano na ako, I'm going 9 years. Grabe. 'Di ba? So, if feeling that you're on the edge, you don't know if this is for you, quits lang, nandun din ako. Right? And I'm not here to convince any of you guys kasi at the end of the day, di ko kayo kilala. Okay? So, it's still your decision. Pero I hope you can give me probably around, 15 to 20 minutes lang just to show you the bigger picture. Kasi I don't want you to miss out on an amazing opportunity like USANA. Right? So, if feeling mo hindi ka bagay dito, mas lalo na ako. Bakit? Kasi, let me just share my slides now. This is how I look like kasi nung college. Grabe, no? So, if ako mag-offer ng vitamins kay Miss Christie, di ba? Itsura ko pa lang, tatanggihan niya na ako. Baka sabihin niya pa nga, Gabe, parang mas kailangan mo to kaysa sa akin. Right? So, yun yung track na kinuha ko. Parang, sige, go lang, aral na mabuti. As mentioned kanina, I even went to the States then for a conference. Kasi, goal ko naman dati before is baka yung iba dito, nag-join na maraming organizations para mahaba daw yung CV nila. Uso pa ba yung CV? Oh, yung CV nila. Ganon. So, kala ko, pag-graduate ko, magiging maganda yung buhay ko. Sa totoo lang, na-inspire lang ako mag-computer science because of my tito. Right? So, I don't know if kilala nyo ba yung tito ko. Yan yung tito ko. Diba? So, hanggang ngayon, di niya pa alam na ako yung... Right? So, na-inspire ako sa kay Steve Jobs, yung nag-find ng ano. And akala ko, yun din yung magiging path ko. Pero ang hirap pala mabuhay, right? Lalo-lalo na if you're here in the Philippines, I'm assuming everyone is from the Philippines today, no? Diba? So, kala ko madali. Right? Yung mga nakikita ko before sa Facebook, 'di ba? Kala ko joke lang, ang hirap pala. So this is it, no? Imagine This is back in 2016. After 10 years, ganito pa rin or mas malala? Okay, so I don't know. Pero yung mga memes na nakikita ko before, sobrang nakarelate talaga ako. Ay, sabi ko ang hirap naman ng life. Kaya sabi ko, Lord, sana may magandang opportunity may mag-offer. Right? And then, one time, my father naman was diagnosed with cancer. And so, totoo lang, sobrang nagulat kami kasi he's an athlete eh. Right? Di ba uso ngayon yung runner's era? Baka kayo po tumatakbo kayo. Tumatakbo ba? Tumatakbo ba kayo sa mga problema ninyo? Di ba? So, ganun naman yun eh. Right? So, imagine, ganun na... My dad before, 'di ba? Pero nag-cancer siya and it was a eye-opener. Okay, eye-opener for us na no matter how much you've worked hard for, no matter how much you save, you're always one emergency away. 'Di ba? Parang aanihin mo ba lahat ng mga awards mo ng school, lahat ng mga titulo mo or lahat ng mga nakakabit sa pangalan mo? 'Di ba? Sa yung master speech di lahat. Hindi naman yan pwede isanla pambayad sa ano. And hindi lang siya financially draining, kundi very emotionally, spiritually draining talaga yung time na yun. So, kala ko, wala na, ang hirap na. At the same time, breadwinner pa ako. Separated din parents ko. So, my mom lost her job. Diba? Ang saya ng after graduation ko. Right? Yun yung grad gift nila sa akin eh. O anak, ito na yung mga problema buhay. Right? So at a young age, talagang kailangan mo mag-mature. Right? So, yun. And despite that happening, sobrang amazing lang. Kasi somebody from Facebook message us, diba? Particularly yung dad ko. And if tatanungin nyo, kilala ko ba yung nag-introduce sa akin ng USANA? Honestly speaking, hindi talaga. It's because somebody messaged lang. Facebook lang. Right? And it's no other than, for those na nasa USANA, I'm sure kilala nyo sila. They are diamond directors. Diba? Diamond director is somebody who makes $1 million a month. Pero that time, nag-200 sila. Right? So that's them. And hindi ako nasilaw or na-inspire sa income nila. Pero mas na-inspire ako sa mga pinagdaanan nila sa life. Na same like me, hindi naman nila pangarap yung mag-business ng USANA. Right? Parang napilitan na lang sila na pumunta sa meeting. Baka kasi ganun din yung iba dito eh. Right? Or naghanap ka ng something else, tas USANA yung na-offer sa'yo. Something far beyond you've imagined. Pero sobrang na-amaze ako kasi because of their thinking na sige, nandito na tayo, nasa opportunity, why not check, di ba? Fast forward, ito sila ngayon. Di ba, ang layo ng itsura na nila? Alam niyo po, doon ko na-prove talaga pag nagagawa, doon ko talaga na-prove na iba talaga nagagawa pag, pag marami kang pera. Okay? At saka pag magandang vitamins mo. So, diniscuss nila lahat yon. And I think this is one of the things na gusto ko lang talaga iwan sa inyo. Na if you're not really after the income, or feeling natin hindi natin kailangan ng pera, sino dito naniniwala sa ganun? Hindi mo kailangan ng pera. Baka kasi yung iba dito. Pag hindi nyo po kailangan ng pera, ito po yung Gcash ko. 0917. So, sa totoo lang, a lot of the problems that we face today are rooted to the lack of money or financial problems. Kasi pinakita sa akin nila yung part na to and sobrang nagulat ako. Kasi imagine totoo, if hindi enough yung finances mo or hindi okay yung pera natin, don't you think lahat ng other aspects ng life natin affected? Agree ba? Can I hear an amen? Okay. So, doon ko nakita, nga, no, ang hirap. Ang hirap talaga. Kaya doon ako na-open Sabi ko, di ba, in this day and age, napapansin nyo, ang daming taong rumaraket, ang daming taong nag-try ng iba't ibang opportunities. Ang layo ng pinanggalingin nila. Probably meron kayong classmate na sobrang tahimik. Pero nag-online selling na siya. Diba nagpapamine. Tapos doon ko nakita na number one, wala naman talaga sa linya mo yung success. Right? Na sabi ko kasi, sir, hindi ko kasi linya tong Usana. Pero and then second is, sa totoo lang, di ba, if you have your dreams or breadwinner ka or provider ka, di ba, gagawin mo lahat para makapagbigay ng magandang future sa kids mo. Di ba, minsan kakainin mo na lang talaga yung pride. Di ba? Lulunukin na lang pala yung pride. So sabi ko, okay, computer science ako, ito yung achievements ko sa school. Pero at the end of the day, pag nagko-commute naman ako, same naman, pantay-pantay naman lahat. Broke pa rin ako that time. So, sino ba naman ako na mag-no sa opportunity? Parang inisip ko na lang, imagine ang daming tao naghahanap ng opportunity out there. Para makapag-break sa life, diba? Breakthrough sa life. Pero hindi nila mahanap. Pero out of all the people in the world, ikaw yung nandito sa Zoom meeting na to. I mean, if you put that kind of perspective, I don't wanna sound preachy, pero 9 years ko kasi sa Usana, whenever I look back, parang grateful ako sa fact na napunta ako dito. And grateful ako na despite of whatever situation I had, sige, go lang, try ko na lang to. Wala naman mawawala. Parang grateful na lang ako na ang ganda ng pinakita Right? So, yun yung pinanghawakan ko. Sa totoo, wala naman ako naalala. Naalala ko lang talaga yung story nila at saka yung buhay na ano yung pwede mangyari because of them doing Usana. And you know what? Fast forward to today. Let me just shift lang. But does it make sense? Ay, dami nag-on ka. Hello po. Right, so, does it make sense? Diba? So, imagine, sabi ko, ang ganda ng opportunity natin. And fast forward, dahil sa pag-leap of faith ko with Usana, let me just share you lang. Ito na, lastly. Ito na po yung nangyari sa akin. So, baka yung iba sinasabi, ikaw ba yan mentor? O, hindi na po ako kulot. That's my picture last year. Okay, so imagine, ganyan ako before. Ito yung first ever convention. Yung, alam mo yung sunod-sunuran lang talaga ako. Try lang, diba? Pero, ang galing lang kasi doon ko lalo na imagine, na-appreciate ko na, isipin nyo, the business is online. You can do it at home. You can do it anywhere. Diba? You can even expand it to different markets. So, parang, na-appreciate ko lang na ito yung meron tayo. Nasabi ko, ang ganda ng platform. Again, hindi ko naman cup of tea to, pero nandyan na eh. Parang, why not give it a shot? And never ko na imagine na lumaki yung business ko all over the world. Diba? Sabi ko, ang galing naman ng USANA for giving that kind of platform. Na, yung cool nun is that pag nag-bonding or nag-meet kami ng team, isipin nyo, ito siya. Right? Yung bagong Diamond Director, he's under me, diba? Sila Renzo and Maya. Na never ko na-imagine na darating yung time. And ito lang balikan natin, no? Parang, diba, kanina, isipin mo, if ako mag-offer kay Miss Chon, diba? Parang, hindi yata talaga magsasucceed tong batang to eh. Pero well, diba? All I have to do is just to follow the track. Yung maganda nga dito, may success roadmap, yung susundan mo na lang talaga siya eh. Kasi dati, wala naman kaming track. And ang cool lang kasi is that lahat ng, yung pag pinaghirapan mo yung business mo, USANA's gonna reward you. Yung mga travel incentives, di ba? So, isipin mo, may Prague kami. Dati, And ito lang yung game plan natin. Di ba? Ito yung July. So, from July to November 2026 mo, follow mo lang yung path na pinakita ko kanina. Ito yung pwede maging income for every milestone that you reach in your USANA business. Di ba? Gusto niyo po ba yun? Pagdating, try mo lang to, give it your shot. Tapos imagine pag tinodo mo, gusto niyo po ba yun? Nasa Palawan tayo by November. Tapos nasa Hokkaido tayo ng December. So just imagine the opportunities that's laid down before us. Right? And all you have to do is just to follow the team. Sobrang amazing lang talaga ng team na meron kayo. Right? I know, kaya nag-guess ako kagad kay Tita Myla eh. Kasi your team is also very dear to me. Diba? Kasi sila din nakatulong din sa akin sa journey na to eh. And from a guy na ganito lang yung mga pinagdaanan niya sa life, laking sampalok ako before, binabaha. Di ba right now, ano na ngayon eh, rainy season, right? Imagine, no, pwede pala yung fast forward to today from a guy na ganito, di ba? Di ba? Na trying lang, di ganun kalaki yung income nung una. Diba? Grabe, no? So, that's how I was. First year, ganito yung income. So, after, when I reached my 23 years old, I made 1M in a year. And fast forward after 8 years, ito na. Diba? So, again, imagine if I closed my doors before. I don't think I'll be able to get this kung nag-work lang ako. Right? And, hindi naman ako kasi magaling sa work eh. Hindi naman ako sobrang talino din sa work. Baka yung iba sobrang galing. Pero paano pa yung mga tulad ko na hindi? Alright, so, galing lang kasi ito yung pwede maging options na pwede ibigay ng USANA. Right, yung pwede mo mabili. From being healthy lang, di ba? You can actually build, yung for example, ito yung bahay namin sa province na pa-renovate. Ito yung office ko sa province. Right now kasi nasa Makati ako eh. So, yun. Ang galing lang, no? And it's not just that, you can bless a lot more people. Kasi ito yung leaders na meron ako right now. It's here, globally, diba, Philippines. Amazing, no? And it's just amazing lang kasi na because of opportunities like this, can really change yung track natin. And the cool thing here is that kung may nakagawa, 'di ba? Like this guy, sobrang na-inspire ako sa kanya. But dati siyang room boy attendant pero leap of faith niya talaga with USANA. Fast forward to the day, ito yung life na na-provide niya. So, again, you may come here for different reasons. Yung iba nag-chat kanina, you're here for the products, you're here for the business or the opportunity. Alam niyo yung good news doon? Lahat ng aspect na gusto mo makuha, it's very, very possible with USANA. You wanna be healthy? You have the great products. Diba? You wanna be financially okay? Have a business na low cost lang? We have USANA. Diba? And it's very, very possible talaga. Kasi hindi lang ako. A lot of people din in my team was able to really expand further pa. And I'm just grateful lang because I just said yes, no? I just said yes to the person who invited me, di ba? So, ito yung first ever convention ko. Fast forward, ito na last year's States. Grabe, no? And nakasama ko rin sila sa mga travels. Nag-Europe kami. Diba? So, Switzerland, lahat. Maldives. Dami. Right? So, imagine. Diba? I get to work anywhere in the world because of USANA din. So, it's crazy. It's crazy because of this. Diba? Totoo yung founders natin, na-meet ko na sila in person. Hindi po sila AI. Totoo sila. Okay, so, amazing lang, amazing lang. And not just that, yung pinaka-end goal din talaga is makapag-give back. Right? Na yung mom ko napakit na din sa stage. Yung na-surprise ko siya ng travels. Yung dad ko, survivor siya ng cancer. Right? Ito naman yung sinurprise namin ng mom ko ng 60th birthday niya na dati pangarap lang. Okay. And syempre nakapag outreach din kami. So, imagine no, na parang, ito pala yung birthday niya. Alright, so, yeah. Sobrang grateful lang sa opportunity. And, ito yung nangyari. So, imagine mo na lang, ano kaya yung life na meron ka, or how many people din yung mababless mo? Or, if hindi mo naman goal yun lang, yung sa family mo pa lang, how many people yung mababless mo? Or mababago mo, or even ikaw, dahil nag-decide ka lang today. So, I'm not saying this is a walk in the park, right? It's also, it has its challenges. Pero sabi nga nila, di ba, kung napapagod ka or mahirapan ka, edi might as well, dun ka na sa magandang opportunity like this. Di ba? Dun ka na mag-invest sa magandang opportunity. Yung ibang tao nga di ba? Sa maling tao nga, nag-invest yung iba Right? Iba na pala yun. So, how much more pa, nandito na yung business, maganda yung vitamins mo. Right? And the person who invited you have great and good intentions para sa'yo. So, I think that's it for me lang. And before mag-end, I just want to tell you na, take a leap of faith, right? Take a leap of faith lang talaga. Because you'll never know ano yung pwede mangyari. And talk to the person who invited you here. Right? So, nice to meet you all. And I hope I was able to add value po sa inyong lahat. So, God bless everyone. And I'll turn back to Miss John or Coach Lyra. So, thank you po so much for inviting me.
Thank you. Thank you, mentor. Naririnig po ba ako? Clear na?
Malino na po kayo.
Sorry, kanina. Salamat po, mentor, sa inyong time, no? Kasi alam namin, busy kayo. At salamat po sa story nyo. Amazing story po talaga. Salamat po. Bago po tayo magkahiwalay, magpa-picture po tayo sa ating two amazing speakers, si Coach Lyra and Mentor Gabe. Sino pong pwedeng kumuha? Yan. Pa-open nilang po ng ating mga cameras. Who's going to take picture po? Coach Lai?
Okay, ako na.
Thank you, Coach Christy.
Taking photo in 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Smile. Okay. One more. 3, 2, 1. Smile. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Pasalamatan po natin si Mentor Gay. Thank you po, Mentor.
Thank you, Mentor Gay.
Thank you. God bless po.
Thank you, Coach Lyra and Coach Shona. Thank
Thank you
you.
po. Para po sa ating mga guests, wag po nating kalimutan, talk to the person po na nag-invite po sa atin. Kung meron po tayong agam-agam pa, mga tanong, this is the right time po. Wag na natin po pagbukasin pa po. Ayan, thank you po. Thank you, coaches, sa inyong pag-assist po.